Welcome to the Windows Club. If Windows does not connect to Wi-Fi on startup, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, you can opt in for auto connection. So right click on the start button and then select settings. Now go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side. You'll find an option which says Wi-Fi. Click on the forward pointing arrow associated with this. Now you'll find the network which you're connected to. Click on this and you'll find this option which says connect automatically when in range. Check the box. The second solution is to disable power saver in Wi-Fi adapter settings. For this, search for power options in the Windows search bar and then click on edit power plan. This will take you to the power options page. Now click on change advanced power settings. Scroll down to wireless adapter settings and expand this power saving mode. Make sure that it is either selected at medium power saving or maximum, but never at low power saving. I will keep it at maximum performance and then apply and finally OK. The next solution would be to adjust Wi-Fi adapter power management settings. I'll show you how this is done. First of all, we will press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command dev mgmt.msc and hit enter to open the device manager window. Now expand the list of power adapters. You'll find this option which says Intel wireless AC followed by a certain number. Right click on it and go to properties. Now in properties, go to the power management tab and uncheck this box which is associated with allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click on OK. The last solution would be to delete the WLAN SVC files. I'll explain how this is done. First of all, press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command services.msc and hit enter to open the service manager window. Now we would have to find the WLAN autoconfig service and stop this service. Since the list is in alphabetical order, I'll scroll down easily to W and then I'll search for WLAN. Once I find WLAN autoconfig, I'll right click on it and select stop. It would need a few seconds to stop the service. After this, I'll open File Explorer. I'll go to C drive, Program Data, Microsoft, WLAN SVC, Profiles Interfaces. I'll find a folder here or maybe multiple folders. I'll right click on delete this folder. Once this is done, the issue should surely be resolved. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you still have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.